In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize a Smartsheet for your project. Let's start by opening Smartsheet and signing into your account. Use your usual login method so you land on your home or workspace area. If you're new, don't worry. Once you're in, the layout is straightforward and everything you create can be adjusted later. Next, look for the Create or New option. Depending on your view, this might be a button or a plus icon. Click it to open the Creation menu. Here, you'll decide how you want to begin. You can choose a blank sheet if you prefer to build from scratch, a template if you want a ready-made structure, or a project plan if you know you'll be tracking timelines and dependencies. Templates are great for common scenarios like marketing plans or onboarding, while a blank sheet gives you total control. Select the option that best matches your goal today. Once your sheet opens, add the core columns you'll need: tasks, owners, dates, status, and notes. Give each column a clear name, then choose a helpful column type. Use text number for task names, contact list for owners so you can assign to people, date for start or due dates, and drop down or symbols for status. Notes can stay as text for flexibility. You can reorder columns by dragging them and even resize them so the most important details are easy to see. Now start entering your project or workflow data. Add one row per task or item. Keep task names concise and consistent. Assign an owner for accountability, and set realistic start and due dates. Update the status as work progresses, and use the notes column for details, links, or handoff instructions. If your work has phases or subtasks, indent related rows to show hierarchy, and keep the sheet neatly organized. If you're collaborating, add your teammates so everyone can contribute. Click Share, enter their emails, and choose the right permission level. Viewer if they just need to see, editor if they'll update data, or admin if they need full control. Include a short message so they know what you expect and which columns they should focus on. Finally, save and customize the sheet for your process. Rename the sheet to something clear. Apply conditional formatting to highlight due or at-risk items, and use filters or sorting to focus on what matters most. Try switching views, grid for details, Gantt for timelines, or card for a board-style workflow so your team can work the way they prefer. And that's it. You've created a smart sheet, tailored it to your project, and set up collaboration so your team can move faster with clarity.